Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the Gold 3 confirmed free airdrop. The first price of the first phase is $1,000 and there are $30,000 for phase 2. So in this video I'm going to explain you how this incentivized testnet work and all the step by step exactly what you need to do in order to get this airdrop. I don't know if you call it airdrop, maybe this is more like a price competition for the testnet of this project. They are super transparent on what you need to do and how you get this price. So if you have been complaining of not getting airdrops, this is 100% your responsibility to get it in the first place and get the first price of $1,000 on the month of March. And remember guys, if you want to go further into the airdrop hunter, you have my subscriptions to enter into my Discord where we cover more airdrops, and you have my application if you also want to do another step into the airdrop hunter live, basically doing it much easier than if you do it for your own. My app, it will help you a lot to organize everything that you need to do and apply easily to every of the airdrops that I cover, and you can do your own airdrops there. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, like I said, Gold 3 is already doing an incentivized testnet and there is $50,000 on prices. I'm going to explain you exactly how to apply on this, and we are going to cover this company and what I think you could have a very big chance to get into these prices, and why I say that maybe this is not considered like an airdrop but more like a competition price. So I thought that many of you that have been complaining about maybe don't getting airdrops distribution, in this case it's super transparent what you need to do and the prices. So in this case it's going to be 100% your responsibility if you want to earn some of these prices, and I'm going to tell you why in this video, so stay until the end. So Gold 3 testnet airdrop has already started and the first price of the first phase is $1,000 already confirmed, and I'm going to show you why this is happening already. First, Gold 3 is the first decentralized sport books on ZkSync. So also applying into this, you are going to do transactions into the ZkSync testnet area, which is probably the last step before a mainland. So this also helps you to do transactions for the ZkSync possible airdrop. So this is very, very important. Basically, this airdrop will have two phases. The phase 1, which is basically what I'm going to explain you how to do right now, is that they decided to divide the testnet into two phases to ensure a smooth and thorough testing process. The first phase will focus on testing the basic features, including placing bets and claiming winnings. And to incentivize users to participate in first phase, we will have a smaller prize pool of $10,000. The duration for this is from February 28 to March 28, so it's only 1 month. On the phase 2, which is the testnet 2.0, you have more features to come, and this phase will focus on testing more advanced features such as automated market makers, Gold 3 points, and liquidity provisions. This phase is crucial in ensuring that our platform is fully functional. And the reward for the users on this phase is going to be a larger prize pool of $40,000. So the duration of that is not confirmed yet, but you already can start working for the first prize on the phase 1. So how I know how much money you can make on this competition or in this airdrop? Well, they are super transparent on that. And to ensure fairness, the prices will be distributed incrementally among the testnet participants. The exact distribution of the prize pool will be announced by the Gold 3 team. And there is no limit on how many wallets can join, but at the end only the top 500 wallets on the leaderboard are qualified for prizes. So no matter what happened here, only the top 500 is going to get part of this reward pool. So for sure you need to be there. And I will put this link, guys, but here you have exactly how much you are going to get. If you are in the top 500, you are already earning something. If you are in the first place, it's 1000, second place 900, third place 800, and you can see it's diminishing amount of money depending the place that you are in the leaderboard. But you don't have any excuses because you know exactly how much you can earn if you do everything that I mentioned in this video in a very serious way. You really can get into the first place and earn that $1,000. Again, it's going to be a lot of work, but it's only for this month. Now let's go to the step by step on how to participate here and be in that first place. First of all, you need to follow them on Twitter and you need to follow them on Discord. You are going to have news on Discord, so I recommend you to do these two actions so you are up to date during all the months that you are going to be in this airdrop or competition. The third step is you need to add ZkSync testnet area. I will put the link to their documentation on how they do that, but basically you go to chainlist.org, you search for ZkSync and you click here include testnet, and here you are going to see it. Click add to MetaMask and you are going to be able to add it to MetaMask and have it there. Now the step 4 is that you need to complete the testnet 1.0 league on crew 3 to get the G3 testers role on Discord. Without that you cannot get any reward, so this is your first step, which is going to this link and you need to complete here in the crew 3. You can see that says testnet 1.0 league. You need to complete all these 10 steps, which is basically interact with your social media and all that and testing the network. And here after the number 10 you can see final claim your testnet role. So this is your last step here. So this is everything that is in the crew 3, so complete this testnet 1.0 league in order to participate for a place in the top 500. And after that, step 5, you can claim Faucet, placing bets and win. Participants can claim 100 ZkUSD per day to test the platform. You go to the testnet URL that is in the link there, you connect your wallet, you can see that I am with ZkSync Area Goerli, and here you can click and get your Faucet tokens. When you click there, you need to do a tweet in order to get them, and you can claim 100 ZkUSD, and with that you can start testing in the platform. I will put the link of the official guide in my post, so you also can check that, but it's basically what I am already explaining. But again, you can check the official link if you want, and also this table where you get the prices. You can see here that the requirements is being the G3 tester in Discord role. So that is why you first of all you need to complete the crew 3. And for this step 5, I'm including on the step 7 how to use the testnet app. In order for you to know how to place bets and everything, you can see the single model tutorial for mobile or desktop, everything that you need to do, how to do bets and everything like that. It's going to be here on this step 7, how to use the testnet app. And also remember, step 6, really important, stay in the top 500 total winnings on the leaderboard to be in the money. And there I put the link here on what places is going to get each reward. So again, I don't really consider this like an airdrop, but more like a testnet incentivized program as a competition. So basically you are going to compete with another people that also want that prize. But I also have another good news. If you check the Twitter of the company, Goal 3 is only 2,000 followers. And if I go to the Discord, which is where you are going to get everything, you can see that the followers is 3.6k. So there are not many people here, guys. And the top 500 is going to get the reward. So you can see that your bets right now, starting when you see this video, are really high. So take this seriously. If you want $1,000, you know exactly what you need to do. And let's say that someone beats you in the first place. again, you could get also 500 if you are in the 5th place. So this is not an impossible task. You really need to focus on this airdrop maybe during this month, and you could get that $1,000. It's not impossible at all. So guys, those are the 7 steps that you need to follow in order to participate and try to be in the top of this list, on the top 500, to get the most possible reward on money here for Gold 3. And all your transactions are going to count also for the ZkSync Airdrop probably. Guys, remember my subscriptions. If you want to do another step on the Airdrop Hunter, go here, join our Discord. The monthly subscription is less than a fee on the Ethereum mainnet, guys, so it's really cheap. And my app will actually really help you to manage and apply to all the airdrops, so you can see these 2 videos on how my app works and the updates that I did in February based on the feedback of the users in my app. And I am working on more updates for March. For example, setting an alarm on some tasks. For example, you will be able to set an alarm that will send you an email once per week or whenever you want to remind you to do some specific task on different airdrops. That way you just can't forget about it, and when you receive the email, you do the task on my app and you are done. So more stuff coming to my application. Be sure to see this video. Even if you don't want to subscribe right now, just check my video so you know that my app exists there. I am here for you guys, trying to get you airdrops and prices in different things. So I will really appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to the channel and click the bell to get the notifications. And please follow me here at CryptoState in my Twitter. I only have 3,000 followers here, but I have 13,000 in YouTube. So if you are following me here in YouTube, please go to the Twitter and just click follow. I have more amazing content that is not in my YouTube videos in Twitter. Guys, that will be all. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.